Milford, Mexico. Milford, Mexico. So we're gonna find something. What is up, folks? So today, Brandon is going to be starting up his newer Foxbody. He's been working on it for a while. He's got the last bolts tightened, steering columns back on, the manifolds are back on, and he said all that's left now is to fire it up. So he said he'd wait for me. I'm gonna go get that on film for you guys. So big shout out to him, Rusty Racer. Yeah, I'm also going to take this time to talk about this car a little bit. So about this car, what about this car, Kev? About this car is, simply put, my V8 rear-wheel drive with race pipes. So that's cool. I guess what I'm trying to say here is this is the future drift project. I'm officially going to put it on the channel and say this is the future drift project. I'm already in the works of getting bigger gears. I've already talked to a guy, but I actually got some bad news about this 5-speed I was going to get. So I was going to get this 5-speed off a buddy who swapped his own marquee. Just word on the street was it was for sale. Come to find out, it's not for sale. So it is what it is. But on the bright side, there are plenty. A dime a dozen. So I'll get one. But yeah, as you can tell, that's the next plan. If you couldn't guess, I'm going to... Oh, hold on one second. I left the traction control on there. Oops! So, like I was saying, that's the next plan. Right now, it's staying automatic, and I'm driving it daily. Because one, it has low miles, and two, I'm having some issues, electrical issues with the Rabbit. I hate to say it, but it could just be a battery. I'm hoping for it just being a battery. I'm just gonna replace it and keep my fingers crossed. But that's a whole nother story there. I'm having power steering issues, and power steering's going out. It's electrical power steering. At the same time, I'm getting an ABS fault and the brake light's flashing at me. So from what I've been told and what I've read, VW Vortex, thank God for VW Vortex, but they didn't actually help as much as my one friend. He's literally the go-to guy around here for Volkswagen. As far as I'm concerned, there's a couple other guys that might stake that claim that, but as far as I'm concerned, never have I seen him just... I don't think I've seen him damage anything, ever. But that's besides the point. But they didn't help as much as my one friend. He's the go-to guy for Volkswagens around here, as far as I'm concerned at least, because I used to work with him for years, and I've seen his work, I know his work, and it's more than his work, it's about what's up here. Because he's helping me out of the kindness of his heart for free. And thank you, Nick Helmers, big shout out. Everybody go pay him to do some work. Emphasis on pay. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna stiffen the suspension. We're gonna drop it, stiffen the suspension, 5-speed it, bigger gears, talking about 5.53 maybe. I think 5.5, wait, 5, no, 3, what am I saying? 3.55s. Yeah, so, blah, blah, blah. get the 8.0 on there, and yeah, weld it up, take it to Kill Care, have a drift car ready, streetable drift car ready. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Brandon's. Peace out.
Take one battery from a junker and put it on another.
What up? Fuck slower. So it started.
It started. It started.
It's running weird.
It's running weird, but I just dropped the distributor and I still gotta adjust
that and a high ass idle.
Yeah, but that's because there's no map sensor on it yet.
Well, looks like there's a vacuum leak there. Coolant. Oh, is that coolant or vacuum?
There's a vacuum.
Yeah, so
I just gotta tighten these two hoses up and then tighten the clamps on these and then put radiator in.
Yeah. If you guys know Brandon, you know what that's for. So it's super sick to see that thing run. I'm in the garage, which is a little bit quieter. Super sick to see it run. He's got wait, what were we just saying it needed still? It still needs
Radiator.
the radiator and
Belt.
it bled. It needs the belt. It needs
Map sensor and
the
air
map
intake.
sensor, the
Air
air
filter.
intake, and the drive train.
No, the
Drive shaft.
yeah, it's 4 bolts. It runs.
It runs. Yay. So glad it's together. I was just saying how you got it in what condition you got it in? Like no transmission.
No, there's transmission. It just needs the drive shaft right here. That's all it needs.
No, the condition you got it in.
Oh yeah, no, it was just a roller. The motor I bought separate, and then the transmission I got from my brother, and I bought a drive shaft off my buddy.
Nice. And then you got the coil on there just today. And then it already had brand new.
Nice fresh drive shaft to match the motor.
Hey, there it is. So it already had brand new suspension components.
Brand new suspension, all new brakes.
Brand new brakes. Yeah,
Has
you can
brand
see
new
the
carpet
Jordan
in
slider.
there.
New carpet.
Gotta clean the seats.
It was a very clean roller, but it needed a power plant. Came to the ride home. How long? 2 weeks? Couple weeks?
I've had it for 2 or 3 weeks.
Couple weeks. Not even really fiddling with it every day.
When I got the motor, the dude had the cam in wrong. So it was locking up. I tried to turn over by hand and it was locked up. Dude didn't know how to fix it, so he gave me the motor for $1,000.
Nice.
And I couldn't get it turned over, pulled the timing cover off, took the chain off, turned everything to the right position, put it all back on right, and threw everything back on. And which timing cover is really easy to take off. It's like 6 bolts. 2 from the water pump and then the 4 for the actual timing cover, and the whole thing comes off with the water pump on still.
Hell yeah.
I did an AC delete because somebody decided they wanted to cut the lines back there.
At the heater core?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's alright, I got a sunroof.
Yeah, a lot of my cars don't have AC. I'm gonna try and do something nice for my friend here without getting caught. Mean to scare him off. He just came to do the same thing I came to do. Well, as you can see, it's raining. We're in the rear wheel drive, which you know what that means. Yeah, I think that old boy got scared, but I don't think he realizes that's what this loop is for when it rains. Just like that. With it. Oh man. Okay, let me put this thing back on. Woo! Let's go. Hey. So, there you have it. Thing fucking rips. So there you have it. Basically, now I know what I needed to know, which is stiffer suspension, bigger gearing, of course, because it comes with a 273 or 273 or something like that. And I want some like 373s, maybe some 410s. I think 410s is more for like a drag application, and I'm looking for something where I can break it loose as I'm rolling. So we're talking about probably more likely the 373s. Also, 410s will cut my fuel mileage down so much, I don't know if I'm willing to do that, especially because it's a modest drift car. It's not it's just a V8. It's just a rear wheel drive V8. Like, just, that's it. That's all it's meant to be. That's all it will be. We're gonna stiffen the suspension up. Might have to figure out something for the angle. Seems like it's binding up when it's full locked. Maybe I just need to not take it full lock. I don't know. It's new to me. So there you have it. That's the old girl. Had a good time. Hope you guys, I just caught the camera. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. See you next week.